Hi guys, in this video we're going to cover how to navigate the Facebook billing and payment session. Our major focus is how to find the billing and payment page on Facebook. And this is very important when you want to fix a payment issue, or maybe you want to add funds, or you want to change your payment method on Facebook. So take note, this billing and payment section is very important because this is where you could confirm which ad account needs attention. So you could basically clear up debts that are piling up, or you could change your card details. We've also made specific videos that talk about how to solve payment issues on Facebook. So kindly visit the description section to access all these videos. So let's jump right straight into the video. The easiest way to access the billing and payment web page on Facebook, that is after you must have logged into your Facebook account on the browser you want to use. So you visit facebook.com/ads manager. Okay, so once you visit this site, you're going to allow it to load up. So whichever page that loads up first, this is the account overview page. Sometimes you might get the campaign where all the campaigns that have been run under this ad account will be displayed. Okay, so you can decide to change the ad account. You can decide to switch the ad account by clicking on this drop down here. Okay? Then you click on see more ad accounts. So take note, you only see more ad accounts when that particular Facebook account has access to more than one ad account. So if there are more ad accounts, that is the only reason, or that is the only scenario where you see more ad accounts. So when you click on see more ad accounts, you'll be able to select the particular ad account you want to navigate. If not, you would only find one. So for most of you who are watching this video because of the ad fixing class, the Meta Ad Solution class. So in order to visit the billing and payment session, you hover your cursor down to the left hand side, then you click on billing and payment. So you could see billing and payment. You could see it uses the symbol of where coins are being stacked. Though all this stuff can be changed any point or at any time, depending on when Meta developers want to make that decision. So click on billing and payments. So if it's a prepaid ad account, this is where you'll be able to fund your ad account, or you could change your payment method or your card if it's a postpaid ad account. So once you come here, you'll be able to tell if this ad account is owing any money or not. Okay, in this case, this is a prepaid, not a postpaid ad account. So you can see that it's not owing, or it's not restricted rather, because sometimes we'll ask you to come here to verify if there's any issue with the ad account, especially payments, because once there's a payment issue, you'll be required to clear this payment, though we have a separate video that covers that. So make sure you visit the description section of this video to access that video on how to fix payment issue. Okay, so it's very important that you ensure that all the ad accounts don't have any issue, or you validate how many ad accounts are on this Facebook profile. So you could do that by clicking on this drop down. So if you don't see this see more, as I said, it means this is the only ad account on this Facebook profile. Okay, but if you see the see more, you might want to click on it and check. So I'm going to open a postpaid ad account. Let's hope I get it right. Okay, I think one of these should be a postpaid. Let me try this one. So I'm navigating to another ad account, or I just switched to another ad account. Okay. All right, so you can see this one, all the money has been cleared or has been paid. So we are not owing any money in this case. Okay, so I believe we've covered the easiest, or one of the easiest ways to visit the billing and payments page on Facebook. Now I'm going to show you another method. So you simply open a new tab. After you must have logged into the Facebook account, you click on business.facebook.com/select. Okay, so you click here. So basically what it does is it opens up all the business portfolio account. That is, if that particular Facebook profile has a business portfolio account or a business manager account. So you select the particular BM you want to confirm. So let's say in the account you're handling, it has just one BM, and that one BM or that one business portfolio is this one, the AI World. So you click on AI World. Now, in order for you to navigate to the billing and payment page, you click on settings. You click here, business settings. Okay, so you allow this to load up. Then you scroll down to the bottom. Then you're going to see billing and payment here. So you click on billing and payment. So this is another way to visit the billing and payment page on Meta. This particular approach is more like the official billing and payment page. It's more comprehensive. Yeah, so you could do a lot of stuff here. Yeah, you could do a lot of stuff. So you can see you can add funds if you want, and etc. You could also navigate to the payment method if you want to add, okay, a new payment method. Yeah, so in some cases you might need to modify your permission, give yourself financial permission. Okay, so you just click on this button and follow the on-screen instruction. Then next, you could also find the payment activities. Okay, so once you click on payment activities, it's going to tell you all the funding that has occurred. But before this is going to show up, you need to select the add account. So you can see select account. No account have been selected here. So you click on select account, then we choose AI add set. So you can see only one payment activity has occurred, funding of 100 naira. Alright, so I'm going to show you the last approach. This one is basically done on Business Suite. For some of you, once you visit business.facebook.com, it takes you to Business Suite. But for some of us who might need to add business.facebook.com/latest before we'll be able to get to Business Suite. Okay, so you're going to see that. Or you could also use business.facebook.com/latest/home. Okay, yeah. So we're going to navigate to the billing and payment page for this particular business portfolio. In order for you to access the billing and payment page, you click on settings here. So once you click on settings, it's going to take you to this page. Okay, so once you scroll down here, you're going to see billing and payment here, over here. So you click on billing and payment. Another way you could do this is, let's assume that we are at the home page. Okay, so you click on this drop down here at the top left corner. Then you select the business portfolio you want to open up the billing and payment. So let's say, for example, we want to open the billing and payment of Red Zone. So we click on this settings icon here. You do that. So you can just close this. Alright, so we scroll down to the bottom. Okay, so just at the middle. Then we'll click on billing and payment. So this is going to take you to the billing and payment page, similar to the second method we used in getting to the billing and payment session. Alright, so we're allowed to load up. You can also as well add funds here if you want. Then you could navigate to also visit the payment method if you want. Though you have to select the add account. So let's say we select one of these add accounts. Okay, so you can see, so you could add new payment method. You could also visit the payment activities. Alright, so that's all for now. So this is how to make it to the billing and payment on Facebook. Another easy approach is to use the Meta Ads Manager app. So we're also going to add a link in the description section for you to get used to it as well. For Instagram, simply visit the add payment on the app. Then you'll be able to visit the billing and payment page where you could add funds, clear your debt or clear your payment, or fix payment issues, and so much more. Before we go, let's talk about Instagram. If you're trying to navigate or access the billing and payment method on the Instagram app, basically we made a video that talked about how to change your ad account on the Instagram app. So if you follow the same process, either for your creator professional account or your business professional account on Instagram, you'll be able to access the billing and payment page on the Instagram mobile app. So you could change your payment method or change your card details or fix a payment issue on the billing and payment page on the Instagram mobile app. So you mostly find this at the add payment section on Instagram. So do well to visit that video in the description section. We're going to paste the link in the description section. Also find other useful links to teach you how to fix payment issues on Instagram. Alright guys, so see you in our next video.